In the quiet depths of the ocean, far from the prying eyes of the world, there lives a creature with no bones, 3 hearts, blue blood, and an IQ that has left scientists baffled. Cut to black screen with bold text. The octopus that outsmart a lab experiment. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of our planet, we often stumble upon creatures that redefine our understanding of life itself. Today we dive into a tale of an invertebrate whose intelligence not only astounded scientists, but also outsmarted them in their own game. A highly secure research facility in Germany, renowned for its groundbreaking work in marine biology, housed a mysterious resident, an ordinary-looking octopus named Otto. But beneath his unassuming exterior lay a mind that was anything but. At first, Otto seemed like any other octopus in the lab. He would scuttle around his aquarium, mesmerized by the curious onlookers. But as the days turned into weeks, strange things started to happen. Every night, the lab's sophisticated equipment would mysteriously short-circuit and the lights flickered ominously. Security footage revealed nothing. No sign of intruders, no power surges. It was as if the aquarium was being haunted. The lab team, perplexed and slightly spooked, decided to stay overnight. What they discovered was nothing short of astonishing. Otto, the seemingly simple octopus, was squirting jets of water at the overhead lamp, hitting it precisely and repeatedly until it exploded. But why? Why would an animal do something so destructive? The answer, as it often does, lay in the basic needs of the creature. The light, it seemed, irritated Otto. And instead of succumbing to the annoyance or worse, injuring himself, he took matters into his own hands, or tentacles. Like a human, he found the source of the problem and attempted to fix it, albeit in his own unique way. But how could an animal with no skeleton and a lifespan of barely 2 years behave like this? To understand Otto's actions, we must peer into the remarkable world of octopus intelligence. Octopuses, scientifically known as octopi, are fascinating creatures. They have 500 million neurons, 2/3 of which are located in their arms. Each arm can function semi-independently and think for itself. Their brain structure is radically different from that of mammals, yet remarkably similar to that of humans. Neuroscientists now compare octopus intelligence to primates and even toddlers in certain problem-solving tasks. With this understanding, we return to Otto. The lab staff, fascinated and slightly worried about the growing intelligence of their captive, decided to design a task that would challenge Otto's intellect further. Inside a transparent box, they placed a crab, Otto's favorite snack. To access it, he had to unscrew a plastic lid, pull open a lever, and slide a door sideways. A task that would take most animals hours, if they could even figure it out. Otto solved it in under 3 minutes without trial and error, as if he understood the mechanics. The next day, they reassembled the box, this time with the mechanisms rearranged. Otto paused, studied the new layout, and solved it in 2 minutes. He wasn't just memorizing the sequence of actions. He was learning, adapting, problem-solving. As days turned into weeks, Otto's brilliance became evident. He was too smart for his enclosure. Then one morning a fish in a neighboring tank was missing. Could Otto have been the culprit? Cameras were installed and what they saw was nothing short of incredible. Otto had waited until the lights were off, squeezed through a tiny opening in the tank lid, slithered across the lab floor, out of water, to the fish tank, hunted, ate, and returned without leaving a trace. He planned a heist like a ninja. Otto's story is not an isolated incident. Other octopus stories have stunned researchers worldwide. In New Zealand, an octopus unscrewed its own jar from the inside. In California, another played with toys just for fun. At the Seattle Aquarium, one memorized feeding schedules and splashed water at staff who were late. Even in the wild, octopuses use coconut shells as tools, mimic poisonous animals, camouflage themselves with advanced skin color control, and open clamshells using strategy, not brute force. But perhaps the most intriguing question is, are they conscious, Are we looking at an alien intelligence right here on Earth? Neuroscientists debate this. Some say their brain is simply a highly functioning biological machine. Others argue that octopuses may have emotions, memory, even dreams. In 2021, the UK passed a bill recognizing octopuses as sentient beings. That means by law they are now treated with ethical considerations in experiments, a milestone in the way we view intelligence in the animal kingdom. Today, Otto is remembered as one of the smartest animals ever studied in captivity. His actions challenge the very definition of intelligence. He didn't just learn. He chose. He rebelled. He outwitted his captors. And in doing so, he became the symbol of a deeper truth. Intelligence doesn't wear a face. It may hide in a brain unlike ours, in a creature with arms, suckers, and no voice, but a brilliant mind. So next time you gaze into the ocean, remember, beneath the waves in the quiet coral reefs, minds may be watching, thinking, even outsmarting us. If this story blew your mind, hit that like button. Want more strange science and animal intelligence tales? Subscribe and turn on notifications. Comment below. Do you think octopuses are conscious?